What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on KULR Technology Group.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, guys, I will show you why this asset has a quite substantial movement to the upside. From the beginning of November till its highest point, it gained almost 2000%. And for now, guys, it is at recovery mode. I will show you its financials, its fundamentals, and I will show you from the technical standpoint what should we expect next if you want to enter your position with this stock. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm and drop me a line in the comment section if you think these videos are valuable for you. And let's begin with its price action. I have to admit that this asset has a very indicative structure. On the first glance, potentially we've completed 5 waves to the upside from this bottom, and I will explain you what should we expect next and how you can benefit out of its movements. But for now, let's take a look at its fundamentals. First of all, its total market cap is at $485.74 million, and let's take a look at its financials in details. So, as you can see, they have a total revenue of $3.19 million with a negative net income of $2 million, and they are losing money. As you can see, they don't have any profitable quarters at all, according to this data. On top of that, let's take a look at its balance sheet. So, they can cover their liabilities with their assets, and it is quite good sign. Let's take a look at its cash flow. So, and cash flow is also not so positive. They have negative $3.35 million in Q3 of 2024, and its total market cap, in my opinion, is a little bit higher that you might anticipate. But let's take a look at the company itself. What it is all about. KULR Technology Group engages in developing, manufacturing, and licensing next-generation carbon fiber thermal management technologies for batteries and electronic systems. Its products include cellcheck, safecase, thermal capacitor, fiber thermal interface, thermal runaway, shield, internal short circuit, and cathode. The company was founded by Michael Moore and Timothy R. Knowles in December 2015, and it's headquartered in San Diego, California. So, guys, it is hard work company, and I have to admit that you should know what they are doing in order to stay afloat. And let's take a look first of all at the recent analytic forecasts. Unfortunately, guys, we don't have any recent updates from this site. According to MarketBeat, they have just $1 and $1.3 price target. According to TipRanks, let's take a look right here. They have $5 as a price target, but this rating was made December 19th of last year. So quite relatively, I would say, relatively fresh rating. And let's take a look at its fundamentals. If you type in Google search bar KULR stock and switch to news tab folder, you will find a lot of recent news. But this news, guys, attract my attention. KULR Technology stock soars at to all-time high after $21 million Bitcoin purchase. And let's take a look at this news in details. And I have to admit that, as you can see, this article was published on December 26, and this bullet point makes me very cautious with this stock. KULR said it will allocate up to 90% of its surplus cash towards buying Bitcoin as a part of its Bitcoin treasury strategy. And this, guys, this is not the best policy for company. It means that they don't know what to do with their free money. Instead of investing in their own company, they will invest it in Bitcoin treasury, so-called Bitcoin treasury strategy. This means, guys, this asset becomes more risky because it is some kind of derivative of Bitcoin. And let me show you another quite interesting article that is published just yesterday, and it's titled "Why KULR Technology Stock Skyrocketed 1819% in 2024, but is plummeting in 2025. And let me quote you just key bullets. You can find all these articles and you can make your own conclusion about this company. So, key bullets are following. KULR Technology announced some new contract wins in Q4 last year. The company also announced that it would be investing 90% of its surplus cash in Bitcoin. KULR got boost from a meme stock momentum, but it's seen a big sell-offs in 2025. And I have to admit that yes, this company is not the best choice to invest in, because you have a lot of risks related to the company itself, related to the Bitcoin price actions, Bitcoin price fluctuations, I would say, and is related to their main actions, their key activity. That is why, guys, from the fundamental standpoint, I don't think that this asset might hit much higher targets from this very point. On top of that, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, guys, on a daily time frame, on the first glance, we clearly see 5-wave structure. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And on the daily time frame, we can easily identify the levels of support if I pull the fib retracement tool from this bottom to this entire top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is nothing else but 1 wave on a bigger scale. And here, guys, you can see that we have a decent reaction out of the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And from this point, guys, we have higher chances to hit higher targets with the support of its fundamentals. But unfortunately, as I already mentioned just a couple of minutes ago, their fundamentals are not so bright, I would say. And let's zoom into this latest wave in details. And let me show you this. I switched to 1 hour time frame. And guys, what do we have right here? I have to admit that this structure, in my opinion, for now, is not well, I would say. We have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this top is the third wave, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth wave on this scale. Let's delete this tool, I don't need it so far, I will show you it in just several minutes. And guys, why do I think that this structure is relevant right now? Let me explain you why. As you can see, we have the highest volume on hourly time frame or on daily time frame in this tiny wave. And let's again switch to hourly time frame. And that is why, guys, most likely it is the third wave. And if it is the case from this bottom, let me show you again. Let's switch to 3 hours time frame and let's zoom out. Potentially, guys, this is if it is the third wave, internal third wave. This means this is the fourth wave, and we already hit the top right here with the top of the fifth wave on a bigger scale. But you might wonder, where do we have the first wave? And in my opinion, guys, here it is, from this bottom. This is our first wave. Somewhere here we have the second one. Very long first wave on a smaller scale again. And this entire wave is the third wave. Let me mark it like this. Fourth and fifth wave is right here. Let's upgrade this scale to primary count. And if it is the case, guys, unfortunately, we've completed a very long movement to the upside and very long in terms of its time, because the first wave started somewhere in March of 2024. And this means, guys, we have to pull fib retracement tool not from this lowest point, but from this one, from this bottom to this top. And what do we have right here? We have clear range, more clearer picture of the range of support at around $2 mark. It is the round number by itself, and it might also act as the range of support. And by the way, guys, so we are on pre-market hours, and for now it is down by 1.48%. But unfortunately, I don't see that potentially the movement to the downside has a completed structure from this top to this lowest point. And most likely, guys, we will see the breakout below this range. That is why I highly encourage you not to enter your long position, at least for now, because this asset has a very high level of risks from the fundamental standpoint, and on top of that, it doesn't have a quite strong balance sheet, and that is why, guys, technical analysis also shows its weakness in upcoming weeks. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.